Small kitchens often struggle with limited space, making clutter build up quickly. But with smart minimalist principles, even the most compact kitchen can look clean, comfortable, and enjoyable to use. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer items. It's about thoughtful organization, simplicity in design, and creating a space that supports daily routines without stress. If you want a kitchen that feels neat, modern, and easy to maintain, here are practical tips to transform your small area into a streamlined and comfortable cooking zone. 1. Prioritize daily essentials only. Minimalist kitchens rely on the philosophy of less but better. Start with a simple rule. Keep only what you use every day in the kitchen. Remove duplicate items and rarely used tools. Choose multifunctional tools instead of single-use gadgets. When countertops and cabinets aren't overloaded, the kitchen feels more open and convenient. 2. Maximize vertical space creatively. Small kitchens often lack sufficient cabinet space. To solve this, install tall upper cabinets reaching the ceiling. Add floating shelves for frequently used dishes. Use magnetic strips for knives and metal utensils. Hang pots or cutting boards to free drawer space. Utilizing wall height expands storage without consuming valuable floor space. 3. Keep countertops clear for better flow. Clear countertops are a core minimalist principle. To maintain them, store appliances like blenders or toasters inside cabinets. Designate a single spot for frequently used tools. Avoid placing unnecessary decor items on the counter. Open and clean surfaces allow more space for cooking and make cleaning quicker. 4. Use light and neutral color palettes. Color influences how spacious a room feels. For small minimalist kitchens, choose whites, light grays, beige, or soft pastels. Pair light cabinetry with matching walls. Add warm wooden accents for a cozy feel. Bright, neutral tones reflect light and create an airy and inviting space. 5. Choose compact, space-saving appliances. Home appliances can take up a lot of room. Consider built-in appliances like ovens or dishwashers. Slim refrigerators suited for small widths. 2-burner stovetops instead of large models. Keep appliances proportionate to the available space to prevent overcrowding. 6. Organize storage with smart internal systems. Hidden organization improves efficiency while maintaining a tidy look. Drawer organizers for utensils and tools. Pull-out shelf systems to avoid deep cabinet clutter. Stackable containers with uniform shapes. Transparent storage to easily see contents. When everything is in its place, cooking becomes smoother and faster. 7. Make use of multifunctional furniture. If your kitchen extends into the living or dining area, a folding table can double as a prep station and dining surface. Bar stools can tuck neatly under a countertop island. Movable kitchen carts add extra storage when needed. Furniture that adapts to your tasks helps maintain flexibility in small layouts. 8. Bring in proper lighting for comfort. Good lighting improves functionality and mood. Install under-cabinet lighting to brighten work areas. Choose warm white LEDs to avoid a harsh look. Add reflective surfaces like glass or stainless accents for better illumination. A well-lit kitchen feels cleaner, more spacious, and welcoming. 9. Includes subtle decorative elements. Minimalist doesn't mean boring. You can still personalize the space while staying clean. 1 small plant or herb pot for fresh energy. Simple artwork or a framed recipe. Matching dishware for visually pleasing displays. The key is moderation. Decor should enhance, not overcrowd. 10. Clean up daily to maintain minimalist order. Consistency keeps the kitchen neat. Wash dishes immediately after use. Wipe counters and stovetops daily. Regularly declutter drawers and shelves. A small routine prevents buildup and preserves the minimalist vibe effortlessly. Final touch. Create a kitchen that works for you. A small kitchen can still be the heart of the home, efficient, comfortable, and stylish. With minimalist design choices and smart organization strategies, you can reduce clutter stress, improve cooking comfort, keep the kitchen looking fresh and modern every day. Minimalism ensures you focus on what truly matters: easy movement, enjoyable meal preparation, and a peaceful atmosphere. When every item has a purpose and every space is thoughtfully used, even the tiniest kitchen becomes a joy to live in.